Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can add a photo to a text message on this device. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this icon with a camera and the photo located at the bottom left corner. Now you can just click on your photos that you wish to add, or select Gallery section instead and choose them from here. Now select Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!